Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. For example, if you click on cellular option on your iPhone and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this tab. And after closing this tab, what you have to do, you have to simply check you have a physical SIM connected to your iPhone. And if it is connected, then what you have to do, you have to simply remove your SIM, and after that you have to simply insert it again, and you have to check your SIM is working properly. And if you have an eSIM, then you can also contact your carrier which are providing you internet or network. So you have to simply contact them why your network is facing problem. So the next thing you have to do is you can simply restart your iPhone, and after that you have to simply turn it on again. And after restarting your iPhone, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do next is you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can connect to Apple Support and ask for the solution of the problem. And you can also check Apple discussion and check for whether any other iPhone user is having the same problem or you are the one. So if anyone is having the same problem, you can ask for the solution, how they solve their problem. So in this way, you can also solve your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.